Dear children, today we will discuss the class 10 arithmetic progressions. Important question. Find the 10th term of AP 2, 7, 12 so on. Here A is 2, B is 7 minus 2, that is 5, N equal to 10. We know that the formula An equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then A10 equals to A means 2 plus N means 10 minus 1 into D means 5. Then 2 plus 10 minus 1 means what? 9 into 5. Then 2 plus 9 5 is 45. 2 plus 45 is 47. So the 10th term of AP is 47. Okay, right.